Welcome everyone. Today's our topic is Microsoft Word. What is Microsoft Word? It is a software which is used to type and save a document in your computer. Okay? Microsoft Word is a software which is used to type and save a document in your computer. And it was made by the company called Microsoft. Okay? And Microsoft Word is a part of Microsoft Office. Okay, there is a group of software called Microsoft Office, and so Microsoft Word is a part of Microsoft Office. Okay, now next, what are the software in Microsoft Office? There are 5 software. The first one is Excel, second is OneNote, third is Outlook, fourth is Microsoft Word, and the fifth one is PowerPoint. Okay, so all these are the software which is included in the Microsoft Office. So, but in this chapter we will be discussing about Microsoft Word and how to use it. So let us first see how we can open Microsoft Word in your computer. So when you open the computer, this is your screen. Okay, this is your desktop screen. When you first open the computer, this is a desktop screen, and you can see at the bottom of the screen there is a small button. Okay, look at the cursor. This is the I'm pointing at this is called the start button. Okay, this small window like icon, this is called the start button of your computer. Okay, so you have to click on it. Okay, you will see that this thing has opened. When you click on the start menu, you will see that this thing has opened. Okay, so now children, see, whatever it looks like this. Now it may be different on your computer depending on your Windows. Okay, some of you might have Windows 7, some of you might have Windows 8, some of you might have Windows 10. So this thing, it will change or it will vary according to your operating system. Okay, I am using Microsoft Windows 10, so my one looks like this. Yours may look different, but the thing will be same. That is, you have to click on the start menu. Okay, after clicking on the start menu, you will see that there is a small white search box. Okay, small white search box. You have to click here, and then you have to type Microsoft Word. Okay, so when you type Microsoft Word, you will see that there is an application called Word 2013. We will click on that, and our Microsoft Word will open. Okay, so from here, since we are creating a new document, we will click on this blank document. Okay, so our Microsoft Word has opened. Now you can see that there are some menus at the top. Okay, file, home, insert, design, page layout, all these are menus, and below these menus there are some buttons. Okay, with the help of these buttons we can change the style, color, all these things we can change. And in this white area, this is the part where we can type or write your document. Okay, and you see there is a blinking line. This blinking line is called the cursor. Okay, so whenever you want to type something, you have to start from this blinking line. Okay, so suppose I have opened this Microsoft Word. Okay, now I will write here class 5. Okay, now I want to increase the size of this class 5. How will I do? I will click here, then I will select this whole file or whole text. Okay, after selecting the whole text, you see one option has appeared here, one box has appeared. So I will click on this number thing. You see this number thing, I will click here, and you can see there are different numbers here from 8 to 72. Okay, so this is the size of the text. So if you want to increase the size, we can give say 22. Okay, see, the size has increased, isn't it? So this is how you can increase the size. In the same way, if you want to change the color, you can select it and you can click on this A button. Okay, click on the arrow near A button, click here, and you can see some colors. So you can give the colors according to your choice. For example, you want to make it red, you can choose red. Okay, and if you want to delete this thing, just select this and press delete on your keyboard. Okay, so this is how you can simply write something on your Microsoft Word. Now coming back to our topic, our main aim in this chapter is how to create a table in MS Word or Microsoft Word. So first of all, we will understand what is a table. What is a table? A table is made up of rows and columns, and it contains some data. See, this is an example of a table which contains the name, class, and marks of 4 subjects. And what is rows? Rows are the horizontal. These horizontal lines are called rows, and these vertical lines are called columns. So in this table, how many rows are there? There are 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many columns are here? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Okay. So now we have seen that what is a table. Now we will try to know how we can create a table or how we can insert a table in Microsoft Word. So there are mainly 3 ways by which we can insert a table in Microsoft Word. The first one is called using table template. That is, you have to use a table template in order to create a table. Now what is a table template? Table template is it is like choosing the design or structure of your table. Okay, for example, when you go to a market to buy a shop to buy a cloth, okay, when you go to the market to buy a cloth, you will go to the market, you will go to the shop, and you will ask the shopkeeper to show you some designs, isn't it? You will ask for some designs, and from the design you will choose which one you want to buy. So in the same way, using this table template menu, we can see some designs of table which are already inside Microsoft Word, and from those designs we can select whichever design we want to choose. Okay, so that is how we can use table template in Microsoft Word. And these are some examples of tables in Microsoft Word. Okay, see, this is one, this is another, this is another. Okay, so these are different designs. Next is using table menu. Okay, so before going to table menu, let us first see how we can create a table using table template. Okay, let us go back to Microsoft Word. So how we will create? You see, when you open Microsoft Word, at the top you will see some menus. Okay, there is file, there is home, there is insert. So we will click on insert. Okay, after that, below insert you can see that there is a option called table. So you have to click on this arrow and you will see something has come up. So from this thing you will select the last option, quick tables. Okay, we will select the quick tables, and from the quick table you will see that there are some designs are there. Okay, there are many designs there. So we will select the design that we want to choose. For example, I want to make a calendar table. I will select this calendar design. You see that table has been created. Okay, now if I want to add another table of another design, I will again go to insert, table, quick tables, and then I will choose another design. For example, let us insert this one. Okay, so this is how you can insert tables using table template. Okay, let me delete this, and if you want to delete the table, you just select this table here. Okay, you go to delete table. Okay, in the same way, select this table here, go to delete table, and you can also delete this one. Now that was the first method using table template. Now we will see how to use table menu to create a table. Again, we will go back, we will go on insert, we will click on table, and from there, children, see, you will see there are some small boxes here, isn't it? There are some small boxes here. So this is the way how you can create a table, using this table menu. Okay, so this is called the table menu. So see, so from these boxes we will select how many rows and columns we want. Okay, for example, I want to have a table of 3 rows and 4 columns. So I will select a table. So how we will know whether a table, how we will know how to create a table of 3 rows and 4 columns? You see, there is one number at the, when you select this boxes, you will see it is changing. No, it is written 5 into 3, then 4 into 2, 3 into 2. So this 3 and 2, these are actually columns and rows. The first one is column, the second one is row. So if I want a table of, say, 4 rows and 5 columns, so see, I have to select 4 rows. So 4 rows will be this one, and 5 columns. See, it is written 5 into 4, isn't it? So 5 into 4 is equal 5 into 4. Here 5 is the column and 4 is the number of rows. Okay, and you can also see from the picture, no, if you count manually, when you have selected up to this, so when you select, no, this orange part will indicate your selection. So if you select up to here, only the orange part will be created. So if I select here, to see how many rows are here, there are 1, 2, 3 rows, and how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this table is 4 into 3. That means this table has 4 rows, 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, so I will, after selecting the desired amount of rows and columns, I will click here, and then your table will be created. Now you can start entering the data whatever you want. Okay, suppose I want to give here name, in the next one I want to give roll number, in the next one I will give class, in the next one I will give suppose marks. Okay, and from there I can start entering the names, roll number, class and marks. Okay, so this is how you can create a table using this table menu. You have to choose the number of rows and columns that you want from that box. Okay, so let us delete this table. We will go to delete and delete table. So we have seen how to insert table using table template, how to insert table using table menu. Now we will see how to insert table using table command. So again we will go to Microsoft Word. How to insert table using table command? We will go to insert again, we will go to table, and this time we will go to this insert table thing. Okay, this insert table thing, we will click on here and another box will appear here. Okay, so in this box we have to give the number of rows and columns. So if I want to make a table of, say, 4 columns, I will just write here 4, and number of columns I will change to suppose 3. I will click on OK. So now we have a table which is of 4 rows and 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, so it is 4 into 3 table. That means 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, so this is the way how you can create table using using insert table command. Okay, so these are the 3 ways by which we can insert table in your Microsoft Word. The first one is table template, second one is table menu, and the third one is insert table command. Thank you.